Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Gundam. First, you need to master your mobile suit's movement. Practice boosting and dodging to evade enemy attacks, as this is crucial for survival. Learn to aim your primary weapon, whether it's a beam rifle or a machine gun, for precise shots. Don't forget your powerful melee attack for close-range encounters. Also, remember to use your shield or defensive abilities to reduce damage from incoming fire, keeping you in the fight longer. Next, let's talk about customizing your mobile suit. You can choose from several classes, like a fast, agile skirmisher or a durable, heavy assault unit. Tailor your loadout with different primary and secondary weapons to suit your playstyle. Equip special abilities, such as a brief invulnerability period or a burst of speed, to gain an edge. Don't forget tactical equipment like smoke grenades for cover or repair kits for quick fixes. Upgrading your suit's components will also significantly boost its combat effectiveness. Effective combat in Call of Duty Gundam relies heavily on tactics and teamwork. Always engage enemies from ranges where your mobile suit's weapons are most effective. Work closely with your teammates to concentrate fire on high-value targets, ensuring quick eliminations. Utilize the environment by taking cover behind structures or terrain to protect yourself from enemy attacks. Supporting your allies, whether by distracting opponents or laying down covering fire, is vital for securing victories. Good communication makes all the difference. Finally, to truly excel, focus on advanced maneuvers and objectives. Study map layouts to predict enemy rotations and plan effective ambushes. Always prioritize the game mode's objectives, whether it's capturing 3 control points or escorting a payload across the map. Master advanced movement, like engaging in aerial combat or executing rapid boost maneuvers, to outmaneuver opponents. Be flexible and adapt your strategy based on what the enemy team is doing. Consistent practice will sharpen your piloting skills and lead to many victories.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.